Today is Tuesday, or excuse me, it's Tuesday, Thursday, December 17th, and today's going to be our first official day plowing. So I just got up. I probably got, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches at the house. So I get the driveway plowed out real quick before I head out of here. We're here at the first job. It takes me about a half hour to get down into the city. So everybody answered their phones today, which is a plus. So they should all be out grabbing their trucks and rolling. So I think there's only Jeff and Kyle are the only two that have trucks at home. So everybody else goes and gets theirs every morning. So yeah, we're rolling today. It's 19 degrees here in the city right now. Sidewalk crew just pulling in. They got to do all the walks here and ramps and everything else. So they it's a rough job, man. They're out there. It's 19 degrees. They're running snow blowers and plows. So it's like I said, it's a tough job that they're doing. I give them guys a lot of credit. My sister pretty much runs that crew. Craig, her husband, and Ernie in the shop, and Dan, I believe. So they, like I said, they got a lot of, I give them guys a lot of credit. It's a job I would want to definitely do. Looked like one of my trucks that just went by there. PCK truck. Fucker got my truck all covered in snow. Still rolling. I had to go back to the shop. My uncle popped the line, so I had to go back fix that. So that set us back just a touch. Me and Dahmer were still rolling. I'm about to break him loose, so he's gonna go in salt, and it's still snowing, so I think we're gonna have to still get back to a few of these places and get them addressed. Alright, so we're just touching up some places. Got about another, I don't know, inch or two of snow. It's just been going. So we're touching up a couple places that we did first thing. I got Seamus here with me. He's helping take care of, get some of these addressed before they really get too busy and get open. I sent Dahmer out to salt, so he's out doing that, and we're just gonna try to tackle a few of these earlier places that were done, and then you know, get the shop, get the store opened up, and you know, hopefully get about our day. It's been a crazy day today. We're hauling snow tonight. You can see the shovelers are out there doing the sides. You know what? Let's get out and see. I'm running the Mac tonight. First time we've had her out in 2 years since we did all the work to her, but she sounds pretty mean with that big exhaust on. So Kyle's over there running the dump trailer, and yeah, he's running the dump trailer. My Uncle Don's running the International. My father's still messing around with that knee injury and hand injury, so he's running the backhoe tonight, which is usually what I do. I am not usually a driver, so Chrissy's down here. Craig's moving snow out of the way. And, these guys are down here shoveling. It's quite a mess down here, but we're getting her done. We're just waiting on the backhoe to get down here, start loading. There's a pile at that end of the lot, and Ernie and Jason kicking ass and taking names today, guys. And Chrissy and Craig's down there. Like I said, he's pushing stuff around. So yeah, as soon as we get that backhoe here, we're gonna get rolling. But these guys are kicking ass. They worked all night long and they're here today. They are team players.
So yeah, pile on each end, and we're gonna roll. So yeah, she says she outworks all the guys. The man's out loading her. You know what, we'll get out, we'll watch him for a minute. Maybe I can back up in here for him. We got a little bit of room. Don's out of the way. That's where he wants to be. Alright. This old 2-stick mag is a son of a bitch to shift. I don't know. I just don't got it. I know there's people that do. My father's good at it. Grandpa's really good at it. I am not good at it. Get a little video of him rolling here. Dahmer's got the other skid steer. We had to do one small job. Now we're down here getting all this done. So Dahmer's got the other skid steer, and he's going to be down here in a minute. He just had to finish up with the job they were on. So hopefully you don't run me over. Just a little bit away.
Hey, now some family fun.
evening. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. A little bit of what we do. Pretty much a day in the life of a plow person. So, again, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up.